Hey guys, it's Hari Swaminathan, April 10th. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon, and what a day it's been in the markets. The S&P is zooming into stratosphere. We are crossed, by the way, we've crossed today, we've crossed the intraday all-time S&P high. So that was at about 1576. Today we've not only crossed it for the first time, we've blown through it. Okay, so we are up 19 points on the S&P in the morning. Luckily, I did get out of the Google positions, which I'd sent an email just before market opened. And we took off this, and of course we took a loss there about 3,000, but you can see we're still up on the Google trade for the day, which is great. We had a profit of 2,300 on this, and now we took a loss of 3,000 on when we took off this spread. So we are negative 1,700. I mean, we're negative 700, I'm sorry. So we have to try to make that up. And like I said, this Google trade was put on before we realized that earnings was one day prior to that. So these are just ways to try and come out of it. Perhaps what we want to do now, I might take off one of these put spreads as well, make it a delta neutral position, take one of these put spreads out, maybe the 760, 770, 760. We can close that off and then see how it goes, or maybe the 765, 760, something like that. We'll need to take one of these off so that we can keep it somewhat delta neutral. And then, of course, then we'll have on the call side, we'll have it at 830 and 840, which seems to be a fairly decent room for that call spread. Now, Baidu also was the other one, and I took off the morning one. I had, we were already up about 1,700 when I took this off. So, but then today we lost 2,300. So we were negative $600 on that. But you can see the long call has made up over the day. Baidu has moved up to up by almost $6. These are unbelievable moves. Google's moved up by $13, and here you can see I was thinking of putting a trade. You can see Chipotle Mexican Grill is up $15 today. So some major stocks are moving today. So what we want to do is, except for the Google trade, I want to keep the Google trade, and this eBay is not doing anything. So I think, yeah, we took a loss of $100, and here we have another loss of about $45. I'm just going to close this out. It's not going anywhere. I already closed the LinkedIn for $1,000 profit and the Netflix for about a $900 profit. So most of these positions, even Baidu, I'm going to close it out because it's such a big move, and we were able to turn this trade also into a positive. So all in all, I think it worked out well. So except for the Google trade, I'm going to take off the Google one of these spreads, either the 770, 760 or the 765, 750. One of them, will take it off so that we can make it somewhat delta neutral, and then we should be okay. So that's the thing. That's the trade for today. It's a huge day in the markets, and we'll start off with fresh trades tomorrow, because after such a huge move, you want to take a good look at where all these stocks are standing, look at their charts, and do all of that. So there's a little bit of homework to be done after such a big move. So that's what we'll do. I'm closing down all of our positions except for Google. All right, speak to you soon, guys. Bye bye.